follow this line all the way over.
We've got some folks that are brand new to the flight. We've got some brand new airmen. We've taken last year's lessons learned and we packaged up 3 types of scenarios.
If you can get your medic here real quick.
We've got an IED scenario where the guys are utilizing a newer, smaller robot, a little bit different than what we're used to seeing. And they're just practicing a lot of their mine detector skills and working on essentially getting through an IED combat scenario. They then transition over to the multi-purpose machine gun range, basically working on ensuring that their ACOGs and their backup sites are all squared away. It also gives them the ability to know the shortfalls and the advantages of these M4s so that when they have to do small munitions disruption techniques, basically you use a weapon and you stand off at a distance and then you shoot ordnance. They will then transition to what we refer to as a Cat A situation, where a victim has a dangerous device on them and they are also wounded. So it kind of steps up the stress notch for these guys, gets them thinking. Our EOD techs have to categorize how do they handle that situation. Once they got the victim squared away, they got the IED off of them, they transport the victim out to a helipad. The guys come in on their Blackhawks, they load up, and they get to go for a pretty fantastic ride. We get out of our normal box of where we train. We get to some different terrain and some different soils, and we get to some different facilities that we don't normally get to train in. So it gets the guys kind of out of their comfort zone, kind of pushes the stress levels on them, and ultimately better prepares them for upcoming deployments.